Hi everybody, today I'll show you how to design mugs on Canva. So let's begin. As you can see here that we are inside the dashboard of Canva, and from here what you need to do, you need to search for mug. And now what you have to do, you have to click on the mug, and as you can see here that we have the different designs here that we can use for our mug. So probably I'm going to use one of them. Okay, so let's go here with this one. And now what we have to do, we have to customize this template. The good thing about creating the mug in Canva, it already gives you that mockup thing. What you need to do is just to use the design and modify that. Other than that, adding the design on the mockup or on the cup, it is already done by the Canva for you. Okay. So let's say here that I have this text. I maybe want to edit this one. So let's say I'm going to change the color of A here, which can be, let's say, the red color, or we can use here with any other color. So I'm going to use the red color here, and I'm going to do the same thing on our website text here. So what I can do, I'm going to use the same one here, but I think this is not looking good. What we can do, we're going to go back to the black color. Now this one is looking fine. So if you don't like the design here, what you can do, we can simply remove all of this. Okay, so I'm going to remove all of the things from here. Let me just remove all of this, and now we will add the new graphics here. So we're going to go into the elements. So now what I want to build here is something. I'm going to write down duck here. It would be in graphics. Let's just add the cool duck. All right, so I think I like this one, so I'm going to use this one. I'm going to actually increase the size of this. We can play with the colors here if you wanted to, but I think I'm going to go here with these colors. We can use this classes to make our duck look cool. And along with that, what we can do, we can add some text here, some playful text. All right, so we can add this text here. Maybe we can explore the other ones, but right now let's just go here with this one. I'm gonna put it here. Let's just write down, be a cool duck. Okay, so this is looking good. What we can do now, we can increase the size of this. We're gonna put this something like this. Okay, I have to remove the last word here, and this is looking good. Okay, so what else we can do here? We can also do the design on the other side of the web. So to do that, what you need to do, you need to add another page. So if you want to add something similar that you have added on the front side, you can add that. But if you want to add something new to that, something different here, you can also add that. So I'm going to add a new design here. So now what we're going to do, instead of the duck, what we can do, we can go here with any chord here. It can be motivational or anything. All right, so I will need to find something here. All right, so I think I'm going to go here with this one. Life is good. We can actually match the theme of our front side. We can match the theme of our other side as well. So I'm going to add this, and I'm going to change the color here, maybe to this one. I think this was is looking fine. We can also go here with the black color, and now we're going to go again here. So this can be, let's say, happy duck. Yeah. And what we can do, we can just add this one. So we are actually having the matching things here. So we're going to simply add that, or we can add the happy puppy as well. All right. So I think I would like to go here with this one. I'm going to add this one. I'm going to remove this one. Let's just decrease the size of this and a bit more. Okay. Let's just put this a kind of here. All right. So this is looking perfect. Now I'm going to align this into the center. Perfect. This is looking good. So we have life is good, and we also have be a cool duck. I think this is looking great, and this is how we can design a mug in Canva. We can align it to the center. Perfect. And this is also perfect. And now what we need to do, we need to export this. Okay, so you can simply click on the share, and you can click on download. And now what you can do, you can simply download both of these sides of your mug. So this is how you can design mugs in Canva. If you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.